Today we're going to unbox and go over all the tools and accessories included in the Blaze stash tray from BlueBus Fine Tools. Let's get right into it. If you've seen our other unboxings, you know that BlueBus goes above and beyond their designs on the inside of the boxes, so this is no exception. They got a really cool design in there, which really goes to show you that they're thinking about everything. If they're putting that much effort into the box, think about how much effort they're putting into the actual product. We'll go ahead and take it out of the box. First thing we have is the product catalog. So they have a bunch of different products. You can check out our other videos where we go over some of the other options. So let's go ahead and open it up and get right into it. First, I'll unpack everything and then we'll put it all back together to show you how it works. Okay, so now that we have all the pieces laid out, you can see it comes with a lot of accessories. Pretty much everything you need if you like to roll or pack cones is going to be in here, and especially if you like to take it on the go, this is everything you're going to want. The tray itself is made of super durable, high quality wood, no splinters, no nothing, super smooth, and you can take it out or you can actually use it inside the case. Here we have 2 airtight storage jars. You can put a lot in here. You have a high quality 4-piece grinder. Over here we have a phone or iPad stand. It actually just fits right here. And your phone just goes right there. So while you're rolling up, you can have a little entertainment. Also included is a flashlight. So if you're rolling up in the dark, you don't have to turn on the light. You got a little spotlight ready to go. And it's magnetic, so as soon as you pop it on here, it stands up. You can move it and point it, aim it wherever you want. It comes with the battery included. Then you have this tin with a little bag inside where you put all your accessories in here. We'll go through each one here. We have a brush, so if you're packing cones or just cleaning up your workstation, you can use that to help you out. Here we have some clippers, so if you want to trim off the end of your joints or you need to cut anything, this is a great handy little tool. We also have a metal cone packer, which is great. It's got some nice weight to it and it's great for packing your joints. And last but not least, we have 2 different sizes of cone funnels for your tray. If you pack king size cones, then you'll use the bigger one. And if you just pack the regular ones, then you have the smaller one to work with. The way you use this is by inserting it into the hole that's on your tray. Then what you'll do is you'll put in your empty cone there. You'll put this cap on there. And this allows the material to fall directly into the cone instead of going outside of the edges. If you like to pack cones, this makes it super simple and mess-free. All those accessories fit in this handy little bag, which also can go into this metal container. And if you vaporize, it's great to hold all your accessories and pop right into the tray. So from here, it's completely up to you how you decide to use it. It's got everything you need, so you can add stuff, take away stuff, tailor it to your consumption style. When you're ready to pack up, you can just zip it up and take it right on the go. And it's that easy. So that's pretty much the gist of it. This is the Blaze from BlueBus Fine Tools. If you have any other questions or you want to learn about their other products, you can check out our other videos and go to Budsbie.com if you want to learn more about the different products they offer. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.